Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and we're down in my radio shack. It's about 6:30 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida, and I had a request to compare the Tecsun H-501x to the Grundig, not the Eaton, but the Grundig 750. And right now, the Tecsun is scanning the bands, the international broadcast bands. Once it finishes, we'll go through and see what it found and compare it to the Grundig. Let me turn this down for a second. I'm using my Megaloop antenna. We have some variables here. I've got different cables, of course, different adapters to the two radios. So there's some variables. We just have to see how it goes. The Tecsun 501 will get overloaded on the lower part of the shortwave band. So I'm going to skip that. Let's go up past, like this is 2.310. Well, we could just do a test for overload. Now I'm getting this. This is a medium wave station. Turn the volume back up. Actually, a couple. Kind of a mess. So let's turn that off. I will switch. Oh, I got to move around here. Push me kick the camera. I got to switch the antenna to this guy. And then we'll plug in 2310, 2310. Well, I got to turn on first. Oh boy, what a dummy. 2310. And you can hear that there's nothing getting overloaded from the medium wave band. So that is a problem with this 501 down in that lower part of the shortwave band. So see, it's not getting any overload. So let's turn this down and we'll switch the antenna back over to this guy. And we'll go to the next one. There might be a couple of these. Yeah, there's another one. Now that might be real. That sounds like the Preacher Man. 3.215. Okay, let's switch the antenna back over. 3215. Turn the volume up. What? Okay. Not getting anything there. I did switch the antenna. Did I switch it back? No, I switched it the wrong direction. There we go. Little bit of noise. Switch back. Turn the volume down. Turn this back up. About the same. It's got noise. About the same. Oh, there's the Canadian WWV equivalent. Coming in loud. Some noise in the background. 3.33. I usually don't get that. Okay, so the Tecsun's getting it pretty clear. The switch back. 3330. Yep. Maybe a little bit more noise. And of course, you know, I could do some adjustments to get rid of some of the noise and stuff like that, but I'm not going to do that now. Just letting it play like it's playing. Okay, let's go back. Maybe a little stronger here. Let's go on. 3.885. That is the ham band, I believe, but it's on AM. As opposed to single sideband. 3.885. Okay, let's turn this down. Go back over to that one, and we'll plug in 3.885 enter. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, that's another thing is being shortwave conditions are changing. The solar flux index, I believe, is above 110. I think so. So it's a little better. It's really down to mud on this radio. Let's go back to this one. Now this one's in the mud. Okay, let's move on. Oh, that's loud and clear. Okay, let's turn that down. That's music. 4.84. Go back to here. 4840. Oh, yeah. Oh, Preacher Man.
You need to understand that.
That's probably out of Tennessee. Okay, let's move on. Oh, WWV. See if we can hear the female voice out of Hawaii. Okay, I could hear the female voice very weak. Now, 20 minutes ago, but while I was setting up, I was using WWV, and I could hear the female voice on this radio. I hadn't tried it on this radio, loud and clear. So let's see what it does on this radio. Turn this one all the way down.
Well, my friends, 10 years later, are we witnessing the words of this?
Listen for the female voice.
At the tone, 10 hours, 39 minutes, coordinated universal time.
Okay, again, I could hear it. It was very weak. I would say the reception was about the same, given the fact that it's changing. So let's go to this one, 5.025. Switch the antenna. Turn the volume up.
Crear el aparato de fuerza, los
Boy, loud and clear.
y los instrumentos pseudolegales suscritos.
I'm not going to look these up, and my memory's terrible, so I don't remember exactly what stations. But we're just looking to see what the signal level is. Maybe if I get a station that seems like it's far away, because that one doesn't. Maybe I'll look that one up. Well, actually, I don't even have my computer on. So, okay, let's go over here. 5025, 5025. Turn it up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's strong signal. Okay, let's go to the next one with the antenna back. Turn the volume up. Pretty weak. It's there. 5.8. It's there. Pretty weak. Let's try it here. Switch the antenna over. Turn the volume up. About the same. Okay, let's do the next one on here. 5850. Pretty weak. Let's switch back over to the Tecsun. Turn the volume down here. Real weak. So right now, they're running about the same as far as reception with, again, lots of variables here with cables and everything. Let's go to the next one. 5.890. Loud and clear. Music, we want to shut that down. 5890. Yep. Loud and clear. Okay. 5925. Nothing there now. May have been there when I did the scan. 5925. Do I have the antenna over there? Nope, I don't. Okay. Really weak. Sounds a little bit like the Preacher Man. 5925. 5925. Switch back. Yeah, I'm getting some hum. Okay, let's skip that one. Yep, turn the volume down. Go to the next one.
I fear the Lord.
5935.
The Lord, the God of heaven, which hath made the sea and the dry land. And, give credit to Jonah. There was an acknowledgement there that
that's a lady preacher. Something Caribbean is the name of the show. Okay, let's go over here.
And were the men exceedingly afraid and said,
Still coming through without an antenna.
I think that sometimes I want to.
Now that's got some noise on it. Now, I picked up a hum. I noticed this. I have two of these now. This one was donated to me. I have the other one up in my office. And I noticed it had a hum like this one. So I'm going to let you listen for a second. On this portion of the shortwave band, I'm thinking both of them, because I'm running both of those, this one and the one upstairs, on an AC adapter. I'm thinking the AC adapter is letting some kind of AC hum come through on about 6 megahertz, thereabouts, plus or minus. Because if we go back here, let me see, I want 5935. Let's go back to that. Now, the one reason the gentleman donated me this one is the encoder on this is intermittent, I'll call it. So it doesn't tune continuous, nice and smooth. It jumps around a little bit. Okay, but it's annoying. So that's not a problem for me. I just punch in the frequencies. Okay, we want to get to, now let's just punch it in. 5935. That's the easiest way. Okay. Hum. I mean, no, yeah, hum.
Throw me overboard. Get rid of the container.
See if we're on the antenna.
By the way.
Oh, no.
Get rid of the whole container.
Okay. My bad.
Because he knew.
My bad. And maybe that's what I was having a problem up there, is my external antenna has a bad connection up there. Because once I actually switched the antenna to this radio, the hum noise went away. So they're about equivalent. I'm going to kind of call it quits because this is running kind of long. Plus, normally in the morning, I don't get anything above 9 megahertz. Let me just see what else is on this radio that it found, and maybe we'll try one or two more. Okay, let's go back to that radio, turn the volume up.
The lesson of today.
Okay, that's the one we just did. 5935.
Los dones que están alrededor mío, lo que sea, porque he buscado un conflicto que está activo o un conflicto que está latente.
Found a lot of stations.
Only done during the Passover that Jesus did 2,000.
Okay, I think I'll call it quits there. Like I said, I don't like to have shows that are real long. But the little testing I did here, and with the variables I've got, they appear to be the same. So if you want to say it one way, the old Grundig is as good as the brand new Tecsun. Or if you want to say it another way, the brand new Tecsun is as good as the old Grundig. And of course, we did a show previous to this where we use Big Bertha, the Grundig Satellite 800, which is my best radio right now for shortwave listening. And those two were comparable. So bottom line, with this limited testing, I would say this brand new Tecsun H-501x, don't get the 501, get the 501x, is as good as these two radios, which are my two best radios for shortwave listening besides my SDRs. I've kind of gone to the dark side using SDRs a lot because they are phenomenal. The SDRs I have are phenomenal. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope the gentleman that asked for the comparison got the information he wanted. This one is about $300. These, it's hard to find the Grundig 750. You can find now the Eaton 750. It's basically the same radio. It's about the same price, depending on where you get it. If you can get a Grundig used for less, that's in excellent condition, that's a good thing to get to. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.